Now at 6, Governor Mike DeWine's State of the State address focused on education and mental health.
10 TV reporter Kevin Landers was there as the governor outlined his goals for the next 2 years. Kevin joined us live from outside the State House tonight. And how much of this budget will actually be passed, Kevin?
Well, that's a great question. It's a big unknown, even with the Republican supermajority. Today, Governor Mike DeWine announced hundreds of millions of dollars of spending on items that now lawmakers will debate over.
To reach more students and to provide better training for 21st century jobs, our budget will invest $300 million of one-time funding for capital improvements and equipment for our career tech education across the state of Ohio.
In his State of the State, Governor Mike DeWine made education a priority.
That's why our budget proposal includes an historic investment in the EdChoice Scholarship Program by expanding eligibility to families at or below 400% of the federal poverty level.
Democrat House Caucus Leader Allison Russo liked the governor's focus on education, but not his plan to expand vouchers.
Not as pleased to hear his discussion of a pretty massive expansion of voucher programs. So we will take a look at that. I anticipate that will be hotly debated.
Charter schools were also winners in the governor's proposed budget.
For students attending high-quality charter schools, our budget provides an additional $3,000 for each economically disadvantaged student. It also increases the per-pupil facilities funding for all charter schools from $500 to $1,000.
DeWine also addressed the growing problems of mental health in the state.
Each one of us knows someone who's struggling.
He called on lawmakers to help create better crisis response units, expand the 988 hotline so fewer Ohioans land in the emergency room. Democrats say mental health fixes won't be immediate.
But really, this is a national issue. So this is not going to be a quick solution. This is going to have to be a long-term investment and plan that likely we will not see the results of until after many of us leave here in the legislature.
Now, the governor also called on lawmakers to remove the sales tax on items like diapers, and strollers, and car seats. He also asked the lawmakers to enact a $2,500 child income tax credit. Now, the lawmakers have until June 30th to pass this budget. Reporting live outside the State House, Kevin Landers, 10 TV News.